you join me in the house. Let's get to the unboxing of these bad boys. Get in there. Nice shiny parts. Hi guys, and welcome back to another video back on the Driven 24/7 Automotive YouTube channel. As always, my name's Amber and you join me indoors today as we're about to do an unboxing video as we have more Abarth mods just turned up for my Abarth. So if you check out my previous video to this one by clicking the card above, you would have heard me saying that the Abarth is here to stay. Actually, being in lockdown and being bored out my brain, I've been looking at cars for sale as you do, and I nearly actually bought a classic Fiat the other day, and obviously I didn't end up with the car, but I thought with that money that I may have bought another car with, a cheap old car, why don't I spend it on my nice new car, make it more different to the other Abarths out there, and spend more money making it my own, making it more unique, making me fall back in love with the car so I don't want to keep getting rid of it all the time. I know I always say I'm going to get rid of the car, but the truth is I'm not. You join me in the house and we're going to do an unboxing video. Last time I did an unboxing video was when I unboxed my Ford induction kit, and you can click on the card above. So if you really like the way I unbox parts and you like my unboxing videos, here's another one for you. So I actually contacted the guys at TMC Motorsport. I bought my sports cap from them last year. Amazing, lovely bit of kit. It just makes the Monza exhaust so raspy and just, oh, yeah, so cool. No regrets there. So I actually contacted them and said, look, I see you do lowering springs. Also, they do loads of different parts of the Abarths. And I said, what sort of lowering springs would you recommend for my Abarth? Remembering that my parents have a Abarth Competizione, my dad's actually put lowering springs on his, so it's something I know he's done, I haven't done yet. So I just thought I'd inquire. Again, being in lockdown, everyone's ordering stuff online and we're no different. So yeah, they basically said, we can help you out, we can sell you some lowering springs and some bump stops. So in the box next to me, if I just get it in, I've actually got a box here which should contain the lowering springs from TMC Motorsport and the bump stops. As again, when my dad fitted his lowering springs to their Competizione, he realised he needed bump stops, but I've ordered a whole lot in one go. So this is a true unboxing video. I haven't unboxed it and then put it back together. I've literally had this parcel at my house for about 3 hours and I'm only just getting around to unboxing it all. I'm very excited. So this is actually their own brand of lowering springs that TMC Motorsport have made themselves. So on the invoice it says TMC lowering springs for Abarth 500/595. Just give it a nice Driven 24/7 logo in the shot. Nice. So if you want to buy this kit or you want to see the website, I'll leave all the links to TMC Motorsport in the description below. So let's get on with the unboxing. So I've got my invoice, a little business card for TMC, nothing exciting. Nice little sweetie. Thank you very much, guys. Let's get to the unboxing of these bad boys or girls. Let's just get to it. Basically, says that they're ready. Nice heavy box, by the way. Get in there. Get in there. More paperwork. Ooh, they are big. Ooh, they are big. Let me just show you the inside of the box, guys. Nice shiny parts. Right, so I've just switched to the other camera now, guys. So, I mean, obviously after lockdown, my dad will fit in this all. I am not doing this at all. So I don't really know what I'm looking at here. Oh, so it does actually say they've labelled them. So TMC Motorsport rear. So I now know, without being an expert, that that is a spring for the rear. I'm assuming these sort of wider ones are for the front, maybe. TMC Motorsport front. So they've even labelled them up. I mean, obviously I'm assuming they have to. So we've got another rear one. So those two down there. Oh, God, these heavy we've done. The bunch spots are in the middle. Cool, so we have the two fronts and the two rear. There we go. And then here we have these funny looking things, which are the bump stops. Cool, so that was, the box has now been unboxed. There is the evidence. So I've just gone to TMC Motorsport site myself on my phone, just to tell you a little bit about them for the sake of this video, so you know what I've just bought basically. So they're called TMC Motorsport by VMAX lowering springs for all Abarth 500, 595, 695 models, and this is actually a launch offer. So usually they're £129, they're actually now £89.99 for 4 lowering springs, so that is pretty cool. So these should lower the car by 35mm all round. Springs that lower the rear more than the front. However, after testing and speaking with suspension vehicle specialists, we found that the front wheel drive vehicles such as the Abarth 500, 595 models require the back to be sitting a small proportion higher to allow for travel when using harder acceleration. That'll be happening. So yeah, really happy with these. When I bought these, I actually thought, should I have gone for coilovers? And not being mechanically minded, I'm assuming that coilovers are different because obviously first of all they're more expensive than springs ever are, and second of all, obviously with coilovers you've got the customization of lowering and hiring the vehicle just by the adjustment on the coilover itself. Whereas obviously these, no matter what I do, they're always going to sit at the same sort of ride height. It's nothing I can do about it, sort of thing. If I ever wanted to change the coilovers, there's nothing stopping me. I can have these on my Abarth for 6 months and then decide I want to try something else. I want to try coilovers. So yeah, it'll be interesting to see. Obviously I've been in my parents' competizione when there's 4 people in the car. It is a bit harsh. I think you obviously you buy springs more for the lowering look, not really the ride as such. Yeah, so the next video, once we're out of lowdown, I'm giving you the lowdown right now. So once we're out of lockdown, I'll take my Abarth 505 Trofeo to my parents to get my driven 24/7 mechanic, my dad on the job, and we'll then film the installation. So taking the old springs off and the installation of these new TMC Motorsport springs will be going on. So we'll do a whole installation video, and then we'll do an outcome video. So that'll be another video, unboxing, installation, then we'll do an outcome video, me basically showing you the difference between the stock ride height and the new ride height with the TMC Motorsport springs on. And then I'll also take the car for a drive and tell you what my first impressions are with the springs. Is it a harder ride? Is it not that bad? So yeah, lots more videos to come on these TMC Motorsport springs. So yeah, I think the car's going to look pretty cool. So that is it for this video, guys. I just wanted to tell you my next mod for the Abarth, which is it's going down. Yeah, so obviously, again, these won't be going on the car just like that. Although we're starting to come out of lockdown, nothing's actually set in stone. It's what we can and can't really do. Everyone's still a bit unsure, but these will be staying put in the box until we're out of lockdown. We can safely go mingle with my parents and put the car in our driveway, and we'll do the installation video. If you do want this kit below, like I say, they are on offer at the moment. Remember to buy the bump stops, as that was a little mistake my dad made. Link in the description to TMC Motorsport's website, then I'll put the link in the description to this actual spring kit, and I'll probably find the bump stops on there myself and put the link on for them. So a massive thank you for TMC Motorsport for selling me this great kit and all their advice, as again I wasn't sure what to go for and they suggested this product. Yeah, should be good. So thanks for watching. If you've liked this video, then give it a like. Do make sure you subscribe so you can actually see the installation of these lowering springs, like I say, when it's safe to do so. And make sure you hit that bell so you're notified when all my videos go up in the future. And make sure you do follow me on Instagram. Yeah, it'd be interesting to see if any of you guys have actually had these springs yourself, or if you have used lowering springs before on your Abarth. So let me know in the comments below what your thoughts are. Make sure you check out the Driven 24/7 website, store, whatever you want to call it, for stickers and t-shirts. So support us, help me buy more mods for my Abarth and buy my stuff. See you later, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay safe. Bye.